Matapos ng tila naging pagbabanta sa TV host actor na si Robby Domingo ng isang fan ng Don Bell, ay nagtungo si Robby sa NBI upang kumonsulta sa kung ano bang nararapat gawin sa mga komentong tulad ng sinabi sa kanya ng netizen. Post ng TV host sa kanyang social media: I visited the NBI today and met with the Chief Bumediano and Attorney Tukay. Thank you for answering all my questions. Here's what I learned. You can file a complaint, especially if your safety is at risk. It's free to file. Always take screenshots of your complaint and the URL, even if it's deleted. The digital trace is still there. If someone deletes it, it could show intent. Whether it's a troll or not, there's a real person behind the screen, and they are still responsible for their actions. Remember, every action has consequences, whether online or offline. Let's be kind and take responsibility. Kung matatandaan ay umalma si Robby sa comment ng netizen na sinabing ibabash umano siya mula ulo hanggang paa kung i-match umano nito si Donnie kay Catherine Bernardo. Dagdag pa ng netizen ay huwag umanong itolerate ni Robby ang kaibigan nito. Ay subukan mo lang na i-match si Donnie at Bernardo Cat. Ready na ang solid supporters ni Bel Mariano na i-bash ka mula ulo hanggang paa. Huwag mo i-tolerate yung kalantian mong kaibigan. Dito ay nagreply si Robby Domingo at sinabing, can I consider this as a threat? Can I take legal actions against this? I don't tolerate this behavior. Sino pa kasi nagpauso na huwag patulan ng basher lang yan? Like, they can literally tarnish someone's reputation, normalize suing those useless keyboard warrior. It's not entitlement, it's practicing your rights. Huwag kasing keyboard fighter tapos pag nilabanan sasabihin OA. I believe that the culprit is an insider. Baka nga audience pa yan dyan sa PGT taping. And with full access backstage, who knows, baka matagal nang gawain yan sa other artists na threat sa alaga niya. Possible sana may kahinatnan yan.